In this session we will be talking about how to install and configure DHCP Server on Server 2016. Open Server Manager and go to Add Roles and Features. Select Next. Select Role-Based or Feature-Based Installation and press Next. Select the server and press Next. Select DHCP Server from the option list. Select Add Feature. Select Next. Select Next from Select Feature page. Select Next. Select Install to install DHCP Server. Once the installation is completed, select Complete DHCP Configuration. This is to create security groups and authorize the DHCP server. Select Next. If you are in Domain Admin account, select Use the following user's credential option. In this case we will be using our Domain Admin account. If you need to use another administrator account, you can specify it under Use Alternative Credential option. Or you can skip Add Authentication, which is not recommended. Press Commit. Once the changes are completed, close the page. To activate and configure DHCP pool, go to Start. Windows Administrative Tools. Select DHCP. Right-click on IP4 and select New Scope. Press Next. Give a name and description to your scope and press Next. Give the IP range you like to use. Subnet mask will automatically create it. If you need, you can change that. Press Next. This option gives you to exclude IP address from the range. If you have, you can add them here. This is the least duration. We will keep it as default. For more details about least duration, check the link in the description. Press Next. Here you have the option to configure DHCP options like Default Gateway DNS Server. Since it's easy to configure them at this stage, we will be selecting Yes, I want to configure these options now from the menu. We will talk about all these options and how to configure them on a later video. Select Next. Here you can add your gateway IP. In most cases this will be your router IP, or for some cases you can use proxy server IP as gateway. Type the IP and press Add. Select Next. This is to add your DNS records. It's already filled with our parent domain and primary DNS server since this server is in domain environment. If you need to add more DNS IP addresses, type them and press Add. Once you press Add, it will check whether any DNS services are running on that IP. If it's unable to find the DNS server, it will give you a message saying the IP address is not a valid DNS address, and to add it to the record, press Add from this option page. Select Next. This page is to configure WINS server options. Since we are not using any WINS servers, press Next to skip. Select Yes, I want to activate this scope now to activate the DHCP scope. And select Next and Finish. Your server is ready and it can issue DHCP IP addresses to clients. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the video, hit subscribe button and give us a like.